So I needed to replace the battery on my key fob today, so I thought I'd do a little tutorial. This is the same fob for all 2015 to I believe 2017 or 2018 Ford cars. So what you're going to need is the size 2025 battery, the little disc ones. A screwdriver might help to get it open. So we're going to start by pushing the tab down. And it'll pop open like that. Your key's going to come out too. And you're going to take your screwdriver again here and put it at the top. Put it here and twist. And this part will pop off, and that's how you're going to reach to where your batteries go. Okay, so we're going to open up our batteries. You're going to need 2 of them, so make sure you get a 2-pack. Okay, when you're ready to put the batteries in, you're going to pull back this little plastic piece that reminds you to take both batteries or replace both of them. Just put the 2 on top of each other. And you can put that back on as a reminder. You're going to take your like little computer chip part here. And this part goes to the top of the key. And that just kind of sits in there. And then this pad is going to line up with that. So you kind of just put this on the 2 little tabs at the bottom and push it all back in. Need a little bit of force for that. And you can just put, oh, don't forget your extra key. And you can just put everything back together and you should be good to go.